just a very quick review because these offers, this particular anniversary offer comes to an end today. So just a very quick look-see in terms of how it will work. So I'm on the home, but you could be on all courses because I've set them up, they're the same. So once you come onto the site, you'll see the regular price, and then if you've already kind of put the anniversary code in, or you're using the link where the code is built in, once you go back to the home, so I call those like a gateway link. So I might, create a link to Banish Procrastination where the code is built in. If you then click home, it takes you to this page, and you'll see it will show you the price of the normal price of the course, and then it will show you the reduced price in red. So if you wanted, let's say, to do the Banish Procrastination workshop, instead of 197, it's 151.69. You've got, let's see, the 3-day photo reading workshop. Now you've got 3 options with that. But if you wanted to do the one with the coaching, etc., then it reduces that down. So you see it puts a strike through. MBS Energy Fest video, the 1-day Ho'oponopono workshop. So these are all on-demand workshops. There's the 1-day Fearless Public Speaking workshop. So instead of 497, 38269, and yeah, that's it. So come and have a look around. Choose your workshop. These prices will be ending tonight at midnight UK time if you wanted to take advantage of any of these programs. And then once you click through to the program, let's just say, so you click that one there, it then takes you to the page, and you've got 2 ways to navigate. You can either just click enroll in course here at the top, but if you wanted more information, then you can have a scroll down. All of the pages look slightly different. You'll get a bit of information about the course curriculum, so what's included as well. Where it says preview, you can immediately click that. Where it says start, so you now see you've got the stop sign, you have to be registered in order to do that. And then as you're scrolling, you will then go down to, you get to the course pricing, and it tells you what's included. Gosh, quite a lot actually. So you've got the 1-day workshop, module 1 of the photo reading workshop. I created this a few years ago. Processes to calm your nerves and anxiety, how to use body language for maximum impact, how to stay on track and deal with mistakes, harnessing and grounding your energy, going from blank sheet of paper to finished event in just a few hours, meeting audience needs. Oh, bit of a spelling demographic, that should say is an extra R there. Easy ways to deal with questions, 3-step focus technique, anchoring, next steps, and a private 1-to-1 video webinar coaching session and a planning session. Okay, cool. That's a very good price actually. Wow. I better adjust that after this offer is over, because that's quite good value for not very much. Anyway, so when you're on this page here, you'll see it says 497. That's strike through, and 38269. And all you do is click the buy now button, and then it will take you to the payment page. So that's it really. And regardless of which page you're on, just click home, and it takes you back to the offers that are included in this bundle. And then from there, you choose the workshop you want to do. And as they say, Bob's your uncle. Right, just as I said, finish this tonight. Today's Monday, the 16th of October. The year is 2023. This October marks my 23-year anniversary of giving up my chartered accountancy studies to become a coach and hypnotherapist instead. So it's 23% off. So this offer ends today. The new offer comes on stream later today. So if you're on my e-newsletter list, as you know, you get advance notification when the offers are about to roll. And so until midnight tonight, you've got 33% off the new offer. But this one is coming to a close. So the way it works, I do a pre-launch with my e-newsletter list, so they get 33% off, and then it goes out into the public, and it's 23% for my 23-year anniversary. Got any questions or queries? Actually, if you want to know what's coming up next, what's going on, and explore other options, then easiest way, go to my main website. That's transformationstm.com. That's F for Freddy, so FORMATIONS.TM, so transformationstm.com. Click the red What's New button, a panel will slide out and you will see, have a scroll, you'll see what's coming up next. The site I'm on at the moment is transformationstm.newzenler.com, and Newzenler is NEWZ or Z, ZEN for November, LER. So transformationstm.newzenler.com. That's the site I'm on right now. The 23% off code is ANNIV 23. So beginning of the word anniversary 23. So ANNIV 23. And that's how you can pick up one of these courses online on demand, which means as soon as you register, it's right there. You can dive in and get started. Do this from your comfort of your own home or office. Yeah, and also just one other thing. You've got the Fearless Public Speaking program here as well. This is a larger iteration of the one-day workshop. So you've got a lot more information on this one. We're covering a lot more, but I just want to show you, where is it? Because people often say, well, how does it work if you're not there, if it's on demand? So I am just going to find you. Again, you've got information about what's included, the free guides, etc., etc. Right, so this is the one I'm looking for. So this is from Rachel CK. Some of you may know her. Rachel took the one-day video webinar workshop when I wasn't there. So she took this workshop in January 2020. And I got a message from her. I had my iPad open, just about to read a Kindle book, and a message popped up from Rachel saying, I've just spent the day with you. And I'm like, huh? So I was on holiday, Gran Canaria. I was sitting by the pool. So I look around thinking, wow, is Rachel and her family here? Just like, oh, that's interesting, wonderful, what a coincidence, bit of synchronicity. And then, of course, as I read further, she wasn't actually with me in Gran Canaria, but she had spent the day watching and taking the online Fearless Public Speaking workshops, the one-day on-demand workshop. So it was filmed with a live audience, and then I've uploaded the replay of the whole one-day event. So running time for the one-day workshops is approximately 8 hours or thereabouts. So this was the testimonial that Rachel wrote after taking that workshop with no real human input from me. As I said, I wasn't there. It was a recording. So she said, for those of you who are asking me about my big talk in January and shared my joy that I was so happy with how it had gone, Marilyn Devonish is the awesome lady that enabled me to breathe, think and talk all at the same time, and now you can do it too. Whether you get nervous in social settings, on social media, speaking in one-to-one settings, small groups or big stages, these techniques work. I'm tapping into what I learned almost every day now. What's holding you back from sharing your passions and knowledge? And that's Rachel CK, educator, natural life coach, awesome mama and oil lover. And with the oil lover, Rachel does the doTERRA aromatherapy oil. So if you're wondering, is this going to work, even if you're watching it on your own and taking you through the program, the answer to that is yes. I've had, you'll find similar testimonials on the PhotoReading page as well. So yeah, check it out. Hold on, while we're here, let me just show you, just so you know where to find it. What am I looking for? I'm looking for this one. Right. So there we go. So with regards to this one, gosh, I wish there was a way to put a timer on just the global site, because it was quite, doing all the individual timers. I'm like, duh, this is taking me such a long time. Right, so if you have a scroll down with this one, like Sita Jones, some of you know the wonderful Sita Jones. Now this was way back in the day. I had a one-day photo reading DVD intro, which meant it was a physical DVD that I would send through the post and then manage to get it uploaded. As I said, this was many years ago, but Sita took the DVD. Again, I wasn't there. Sita was just watching the video, the DVD. And she had said, "Hi Marilyn, here it goes in terms of testimonial. I wanted to do the photo reading course for ages, but due to finances I couldn't, so I decided to purchase the online DVD version. So pleased I did. Marilyn is a fantastic coach and I felt like I was there in the room with everyone else. I did the exercises and felt completely in tune with the others. I didn't pass my exam first time round in September before purchasing the photo reading DVD, I hasten to add, but with doing the exercises from the DVD, which I found invaluable, when it came to revising, I followed the mind mapping exercise that Marilyn shared. I gained so much knowledge and information. When it came to me sitting my exam a few weeks later, I was calm and focused. I remembered a lot from the mind maps in my head. I've learnt from the course that I'm a visual learner. I didn't know that beforehand. Thank you, Marilyn. This is totally inspiring. This should be promoted to schools and in adult learning. And it makes me want to do more of your courses. Thank you for this opportunity. And yes, I'm happy for you to put my name to this testimonial. And so that's Sita Jones from Sita's Health blog. And she took the 6-hour photo reading online DVD back in the day. So that's how it works. We've got some testimonials here as well. So you've got all of this information at your fingertips, and then you've got your options in terms of prices. You can do a payment plan, which is 3 months. That's 219.45 instead of 285. You've got the 3-day video webinar certification, 654 instead of 850. And then you've got the certification plus some private coaching sessions. And again, if you just have a scroll down, you will see what's included. Oh, and you also get the 28-day NeuroSuccess, Limitless NeuroSuccess e-coaching program with this one as well. So that is how you navigate your way around. Actually, what I should do is I should add some of the testimonials from people who took the video webinar as well. So that's it. Any questions, any queries, you know where to find me. You can send me a DM. Also, if these courses aren't for you, but you know someone who could benefit, please feel free to share the link. Word of mouth, personal recommendation is still one of the most powerful ways to share data and information. And of course, if you've done one of the programs as well, it's helpful just to add a few words, even if it's a sentence or two, so people know you're not just sharing the link, but you've had some experience with it, because people often like to know, in the noisy world that we live in, where there is so much information and AI writing fabulous course descriptions, but maybe not having the substance underneath them. It's always wonderful for social proof if you just say a few words about it as well. But you know, minimum share, that would be absolutely amazing. And this video here, the Ripple Effect Game Changer, I think it's 5 or 6 minutes, pretty short, but it goes through testimonials from clients, people that I've worked with over the years, and I've answered the question also about which areas, which professions, which ages is this suitable for. So in a nutshell, while we're on the subject, I've worked with students, clients age 7 to 70 plus in terms of the photo reading. I've had accountants, lawyers, surgeons, doctors, engineers, mechanics, gardeners, crystal healers, coaches, therapists, consultants. I've even had a team of rocket scientists from Cranfield University, and that testimonial, well, a summary of the testimonials, this one here, is on this site. And I just took the words, you know, some of the things that they said on the feedback form, which I didn't expect from a team of rocket scientists. This was at the MOD site in Shrivenham, the army base. And they said stimulating, valuable, highly recommended, professional, excellent, enlightening, fun, relaxing, motivating, time well spent, should be given to all first-year PhD students. And it's not just for students. Of course, it's fantastic for students. And I've had students go from failing their exams, retaking a couple of weeks later, passing with flying colours. So it's wonderful for that. And for those of you who are speakers, researchers, or if you need to keep up to date with what's happening in your industry, or you simply want to read for pleasure, photo reading is also amazing for that. And we start with that basic premise of learning how to photo read at 25,000 words per minute and getting through whole books from start to finish in just 5 minutes. And just to put that into context, average reading speed is anything from 300 to 450 words per minute, and we're starting at 25,000. Anyway, I will leave it there. Thank you for watching. Thank you for listening. Thank you for sharing. And the 23% off the online on-demand workshops ends tonight at midnight, 16th of October 2023. And also people have often asked how long do you get access, because I know, like, I was just looking at something yesterday and it's £199, which it's either 99 or 199, whatever the price is, very reasonable, and you get 12 months access. The way that I've set my courses up over the years, and I've been doing online coaching, online training and online therapy since 2005, so everything I do online is tried and tested. It wasn't just a knee-jerk reaction in terms of reacting to the pandemic. I've been doing it for nearly 2 decades now. I've always offered lifetime access. I might change that model because seeing what the world is doing, I'm probably one of the rare souls who still just says buy it once, have it forever. But at the moment, if you're purchasing, you will get lifetime access. But I can't, and if you've purchased, you've got lifetime access, that will not change. I'm just talking about moving forwards from here. So let's say somebody was watching this in a few months from now, and if I've changed that policy, I will make it very clear on the website. Wishing you all a fabulous rest of your morning, afternoon, evening, and your life. Marilyn Devonish, the NeuroSuccess Coach from transformationstm.com. Over and out.